Now that you know the basics of Decentraland from watching the first video of our Decentraland series, we'll now show you the ins and outs of navigating through the seemingly limitless ways you can engage on or deal with inside the massive virtual realm that Decentraland offers. And by the end of this video, you'll be equipped with the knowledge you need to operate on the platform and how to take advantage of the many ways that are made available to you as a user or a trader. Welcome to our channel, where we show you all the latest, relevant, and any information that has to do or affects the world of cryptocurrencies, all in the comfort of your very own crypto attic. Today's video, Decentraland How To's, is the second video of a three-part series about Decentraland. For the uninitiated, Decentraland is an expansive virtual reality realm where users are free to roam, play, trade, offer services, and basically anything anyone would think of is possible, as long as it is within the application's capabilities. If all of these are new to you, we recommend you to watch the first video of the series to grasp what all these metaverses and virtual reality realms are all about. But once again, please remember that this video is not any form of financial advice, but solely our fact-based opinion that is meant to educate and inform you of the latest and most relevant information fresh from the world of cryptocurrencies. We strongly urge you to do your own research before dealing, trading, or buying any cryptocurrencies, because knowledge is your greatest asset, and we would never tire of reminding you of this, so invest in it first. Let's start with what makes Decentraland unique. Decentraland is the first decentralized virtual realm where users or people inside could fully interact with one another as if it's the real world. Of course, they are still confined to the boundaries and limitations of the application itself, but besides that, everything is permitted. People could own land, buy and sell digital assets, provide services, and so much more. Users can develop the land parcels that are brought by a mana inside an evolving, quick-paced ecosystem thanks to Decentraland, which decentralizes system management and makes use of its characteristics. Information can be exchanged with other participants of the Decentraland network and demonstrate their possession over land at any moment by using the digital parcel, which records all activities and conversations and allows users to verify ownership at any moment. Furthermore, customers can upload other applications and games or add stationary presentations to their bundles. It has now evolved into one of the most enjoyable platforms in the Metaverse, and even the entire crypto realm, where everything is seemingly transforming slowly into robotic transactions, all aimed at making the most money. Let's learn how to play Decentraland. The very first thing you need to do for you to start engaging into Decentraland is to create your very own Ethereum wallet. Yes, it specifically has to be an Ethereum wallet because Decentraland's utility and commodities are all built by utilizing the Ethereum blockchain technology. It also stores all the virtual assets found inside using Ethereum technology. So, in order for anyone, be it a casual player who enjoys the virtual experience or someone who's out to do business, has to be able to create their own Ethereum wallet so they too could take advantage of all that Decentraland has to offer. If you're unfamiliar with this, you could check out either MetaMask or MyEther wallet, as these two are the majority of wallets used by the current players and traders inside Decentraland. Once you had all that sorted out, you need to install the Decentraland application on your computer or laptop. Currently, this is the only way that anyone could access the virtual realm of Decentraland. And though there are multiple options on how to install this application, we recommend getting it from Decentraland's own website for authenticity and security reasons. You don't want to become a well-known superstar or even build an established business inside Decentraland only for your assets to be stolen because you chose to download the app from some other means you saw on the internet. Also, you can access your assets or avatar inside Decentraland via their web browser, but we don't recommend that way just because it's not optimized to handle all the data traffic you need and encounter while traversing inside Decentraland. Therefore, there will be some poor loading times and the performance will definitely be affected. These little hiccups will only add up and evolve into a problem that destroys your overall virtual experience. Now that you have everything set up, the next thing for you to do is to get yourself some mana tokens. This is the single most important thing you can own in Decentraland because it is the local currency of the virtual world. Mana is used to purchase just about anything from different products to all kinds of services that users offer to earn more mana themselves. There are a lot of different ways to make mana. Selling and leasing are just a couple of those. Maybe you'd be able to create products or other services of your own and earn some more mana while playing Decentraland. Once all of these conditions are met, you're now free to roam the vastness of Decentraland and discover the many wonders that other users and players created on their parcels or entire estates. You can even invest that mana and create something for everyone to see or even buy. The possibilities are endless. Knowing all this, you might be wondering if Decentraland is basically just a posh way of wandering endlessly. Is there even a way to win this game? Well, just like the real and physical world that we live in, the word win isn't really appropriate for what you're looking for in Decentraland or any other virtual world that constitutes the Metaverse. People communicate, game, and explore the virtual environment constantly. They can create 3D graphics or worlds inside the decentralized network and interact with them. They can also customize their avatars, roam around the digital districts, and participate in a range of activities and events. As long as you're enjoying your virtual experience, then that is already winning. However, there are ways to enhance your experience. The first thing you could do to better your Decentraland experience is to produce your own quality content. This could range from producing interactive experiences, events, or even making your own 3D spaces that others could enjoy, making it more valuable in the process. You could also buy and sell parcels of entire estates if your aim for the game is to make as much money as possible. One thing to consider when buying these parcels or estates is the location, because, like real-world real estate, there are desirable and less desirable ones to look out for. Lastly, you could just be wandering all the different streets and areas of Decentraland and be free to do anything and experience everything it has to offer. After all, being happy is the goal of winning. In our next video, we will be diving even deeper into Decentraland, and we will get into how you could leverage the platform more to your advantage and use it to help make you enjoy your crypto journey. We will cover more activities you could do inside Decentraland and how to increase profitability parallel to you enjoying the game, making sure you have the best Decentraland experience anyone could have. So, make sure to subscribe to our channel Crypto Addict so you won't miss the last part of our Decentraland series and other cool and informative videos we have in store for you guys. See you next time.